Hello, Loiter, we get this. So in today's video, we'll see TELC A2 full speaking test, question and answers. So which are the most commonly used question and sample answers? Here we are going to see. I have just given you sample answers. You can try your own answers too. So I will share one screen with you. So you will get to know how this full speaking test exam, this oral exam, how it looks like and how to answer the questions asked by the examiner. Yeah. So now, first, the beginning will be with your personal questions, right? So prefer is examiner. So what are the questions in personal things that we are going to see here? Wie heißen Sie? Meaning, what is your name? So in German, usually they ask like, wie heißen Sie? So the answer will be, ich heiße, your name. Now the examiner will ask, wie alt sind Sie? Meaning, how old are you? Antwort is answer. So answer will be, ich bin, whatever your age, Jahre alt. Alter is your age. So you can put your age there and then complete the sentence. Now the next question will be, woher kommen Sie? From where do you come from? So Antwort or the answer will be, ich komme aus, whatever your country, land is country. Suppose you come from India. You can say, ich komme aus India. Like that, the answer will be. Wo wohnen Sie? Okay. Now, where do you stay? It means. So the answer will be, ich wohne in Stadt. Stadt is city. Okay. Whatever city. For example, here, any city, you can say München, Berlin, Frankfurt. Okay. In Deutschland. Now the next section will be Arbeit und Beruf, meaning work and profession. Arbeit is work, profession, Beruf is profession. Now the prefer examiner will ask, was machen Sie beruflich? Meaning what do you do professionally? Okay, not just like that, but professionally, what do you do? So the answer will be, ich arbeite als, I work as. Beruf, your profession. Whatever your profession, you can put it there. And you can complete the sentence. Next question regarding this will be, wo arbeiten Sie? Where do you work? Ich arbeite in whatever your company's name. Firma is company. So that you can put it there. Ich arbeite in so and so. Okay, now the next section will be, this is about your free time. And usually they will ask about your hobbies also. Freizeit is free time. So here you can put in meiner Freizeit. If they ask you this question, okay, what do you do in your free time? It will be in meiner Freizeit höre Musik und treffe Freunde. Meaning in my free time, I listen to music and I meet friends. Treffe is to meet. Treffe Freunde. Now the next question will be, was is here Lieblings hobby? Lieblings is favorite. What is your favorite hobby? Hobby is hobby. Mein Lieblingshobby ist whatever your hobby is, tanzen, lesen, kochen, whatever you can put it there. Then the next section will be about familia, meaning family. So the question will be, wie viele Personen sind Sie in der Familie? So the answer will be, wir sind, whatever the number is, Anzahl is number, Personen. Okay, you can say like that. Okay. Now the next one is Einkaufen und Essen, shopping and food. So the question will be, wo kaufen Sie ein? From where do you buy? Here we have used separable verbs. Okay. So there is a separate video on my channel called separable verbs. You can go and watch it. I will give its link in the description box. So, wo kaufen Sie ein, meaning where do you shop from? Okay. So it is the usual or the original, you can say original verb is einkaufen. But we have made it separable verbs. Kaufen Sie ein. Ein will come at the end. So the answer will be Ich kaufe im Supermarkt ein. Usually I shop in supermarket. Now the next one will be Was essen Sie gern? Okay. So what do you eat? What do you want to eat? Or what do you like to eat? The answer will be Ich esse gern whatever your favorite dishes. So you can put it there. While es lecker ist, because it is delicious. Lecker is delicious. Now the next section will be Deutsch lernen, meaning it is about learning German. So the examiner will ask, Warum lernen Sie Deutsch? Answer will be, Ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich in Deutschland leben möchte. I learn German because I want to live in Germany. Right? This is the answer. Now, next one will be this is actually very important in A2. Meinung. Meinung is your opinion. Was finden Sie gut in Deutschland? So the answer will be Ich finde die Menschen freundlich und die Stadt schön. This means I find the people very friendly and the city is beautiful. That's why I like Germany. Or that is the actually this answer is sufficient for this question. Ich finde die Menschen freundlich und die Städte schön. Now, Abschlussfrage. Now, this is the last question or final question, you can say. So, the examiner will ask, Möchten Sie noch etwas sagen? Okay, do you want to say anything else? So, the answer will be, Nein, danke, das ist alles. You can just say, no, thank you, that is all. Okay. So these are the most typical questions asked in TELC A2 exam. So the tips for this oral exam will be, you have to speak full sentence, right? Make it very simple, not very complicated. It should be simple and clear. And even if you make small mistakes, that is okay. Okay, you should not make mistakes, but okay, small mistakes are fine. But at least you try to speak. Just don't sit idle, right? This is the most important thing. You have to speak there in oral exam. So I hope this is clear with you. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe, like and share because I'll be coming up with more such exam related videos. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.